there any water? Ah, water out your window, Anthony. Dad, you know this kind of dryer one?
Mm-hmm.
Well, guess what it's in?
What?
Roblox. This kind is in Roblox. Here it comes, Anthony. This is the wax.
It smells good.
Isn't it the wax? Hot wax.
No, it's the...
Look, it's just like a squid again. Squid.
Look, Anthony, they're spinning. They're spinning. They're whacking our car. The top one, see that top one?
Yeah.
That's going to whack us later. So get ready.
What is later?
Pretty soon, it's almost here. The top one's moving. Oh no! Look out! Here it comes. Ah! Take cover! That's cool, Dad. Look at the roof.
Whoa.
Look back there. Look at the roof, guys. It's on the roof. Anthony, look at the roof, quick. Whoa. It's covering us.
What?
It's covering us. See, it's on top of your roof, Dad. Look, it's stuck. Anthony, look, it's stuck.
Yeah.
It's moving. Ah, it's a Luigi.
Look at the pen.
Whoa. There it goes. Bye.
Bye.
What?
To that.
Oh.
Bye. It's me and Mario. It's me and Luigi.
Bye.
Oh yeah, here comes the best part.
What is it?
The foam 1000.
Oh, look behind you, Anthony.
Oh, we lost sun.
Look up. Look at the roof now.
Oh, God.
This is the goo. Anthony, it's the goo. We don't know what's coming next because we can't see. Are we trapped here? I hear something. We're time traveling. Look at all the squids leaving. Look behind you, Anthony.
What?
Look behind you. Oh, it's a storm, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Because of all that water.
Whoa, look above you.
Now look behind you.
Oh, God. It's just wrecking us.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
It's rain. No! Dad! Don't do that! Dad?
Whoa! What the heck?
Why are you backing up?
Uh-huh. It's an illusion, yeah.
Oh,
I'm in the park.
it looked like because of that.
It's raining!
Don't you dare open it.
Oh, my hands are right here.
Anthony would be safe if it was open.
Mm-hmm.
Because he couldn't get wet. He's back there.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm right here and you're right there. So we
Hey! It looks like raining from right there.
Yeah. What's next? Exit snow.
Oh, not yet. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's gonna dry us as I exit. Where's the dryer? Oh, on top.
Right there. Hold on,
Ooh, I can feel it.
Anthony. We're time traveling. Look.
Now leaping through time.
Anthony.
Oh.
Mario's wet because of you.
No, he's dry.
No, he's wet. Feel him. Feel him.
He's fine.
No, the back.
Hold on, I'm trying to drive through here slowly. Alright, we did it. The leap is over. The quantum leap is complete.
Dress and Wolf for 3 pins!
Dad, it looked like Star Wars when they go speed, right?
Yeah.
I'm an Aries!
Did